Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Donald Trump is an overwhelming favorite to become the next US president after the shocking performance of faltering and fumbling Joe Biden in the TV debate between the two. Full stop. Trump's lead over Biden in opinion polls soared in the key swing states after the TV debate. Stop. The Democratic Party is in chaos, with many calling for Biden to back out and let another candidate, probably Kamala Harris, be the Democratic candidate in the US election in November. Para. What will a second Trump term mean for India? Question mark. The man is so impulsive and unpredictable that nobody can be certain what he will do. Stop. But he has spoken of radical changes that would impact not just the US but the whole world. Stop para. First, he will immediately withdraw from the Paris Agreement on climate change and encourage oil drilling everywhere. Stop. This will kill chances of checking climate change, affecting everybody. Stop. Global finance for green projects in developing countries could shrink. Stop. Para. Second, Trump is reluctant to get involved in wars anywhere. Stop. He may withdraw from or stop supporting the North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO), the linchpin of global security since World War II. Stop para. This will have consequences for Ukraine, which may cave into Russia. Stop. It will encourage military adventures by stronger countries against weaker ones everywhere. Stop. China could get more aggressive on the Himalayan border with India. Stop para. We have already seen that a tiny group like the Houthis can stop all Red Sea traffic despite efforts of the mightiest navies. Stop. Such group and the damage they do could multiply if the great powers wash their hands of conflicts in distant lands. Stop. This will not be conducive to global trade and investment, hitting all economies including India. Stop para. Trump's attitude may induce China to believe this is the best window of time in which to attack and take over Taiwan. Stop. Whatever the outcome, that will be a disaster for Asia and India. Stop. Japan and Korea may react by quickly making nuclear arms, since they can no longer trust a US defense umbrella. Stop. Saudi Arabia and Iran may go nuclear too. Stop. Many more fingers will now be on nuclear triggers. Stop. Para. Trump looks certain to impose a 10% tariff on all imports and a 60% tariff on imports from China. Stop. He also favors tax cuts and subsidies for key industries. Stop. This would, inevitably, attract retaliation from others. Stop. After which, Trump will threaten ever higher US tariffs. Stop. A global trade war looms. Stop para. The existing trade structure of the world, built assiduously since World War II through GATT, and the World Trade Organization bracket open WTO bracket close, comma, may be ruined. Stop. Many countries flout this or that rule of WTO, comma, but it still offers an orderly global structure. Stop. Allows, comma, a Trumpian destruction is on the cards. Stop para. Analysts fear a return to the Great Depression of 1930s. Stop. Then, comma, everybody restored to protectionism. Stop. Starting with the US, comma, every country imposed high tariffs or devalued its currency to reduce imports and expand exports. Stop. They failed to realize that imports of one country are the exports of others, comma, and if all reduce imports, comma, they will necessarily reduce exports too. Stop. Trade spiraled down every year and exacerbated the depression. Stop. Competitive protectionism turned out to be a game in which everybody lost. Stop para. To avoid such disaster, comma, the US after World War II helped create international institutions like the World Bank, comma, International Monetary Fund, comma, and what ultimately became the WTO. Stop. The new regime was stunningly successful, comma, and the world enjoys the fastest growth in history. गाइज, ये कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड है, इनको भी आप देख लीजिए. केओस, गड़बड़ी, ठीक है. फेल्टरिंग, इसका मतलब लड़खड़ाना, इस तरीके से लिखेंगे शॉर्ट हैंड में. रिटेलिएशन, ठीक है, ये इस तरीके से, इसका मतलब प्रतिशोध. फ्लाउट मतलब अनादर, और एक वर्ड ये जो बोला गया था, ठीक है, एग्जैस्पेटेड, ठीक है. तो एग्जैस्पेटेड, देखिए एग्जैस्पेट मैंने लिखा है, ठीक है, टा को छोटा कर दीजिएगा, एग्जैस्पेटेड बिगाड़ देना. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डिक्टेशन पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें.